Ever wondered how your geographic data looks like in a live map? Let's explore it together using IQFlow. You can access this by either logging in and heading over to the Mini Tool section, or just by scrolling down to the bottom of the website page to Products and Services. And here you're gonna find World Map. And this right here is our Map View Preview. It's a free tool that we've built at IQ to help you configure interactive map styles before you deploy them. You can toggle between satellite and abstract views by changing it right here and see which one fits your workflow the best. It even supports automatic dark mode. And just a little fun fact, the default view centers on our home base in Heilbronn, Germany. So you're literally looking at our neighborhood, but you can also scroll and explore it yourself. If you scroll a little further down, you see the different map parameters, such as the longitude, latitude, etc., which you can also adjust and configure according to your liking, or copy it as a JSON. Well, that's just a little tiny glimpse of the tools that IQFlow has to offer. You can go try this and several other features for free without any login at iqflow.com. Thanks for watching.